Hey YouTube, Gold Hunter here. This is going to be a quick test on fool's gold, determining fool's gold from gold. So with this test, it's similar to one I've recently done, but it's not the same. That was a scratch test I did. This one here is going to be called a streak test. And so what we're going to do is, if you only have one item, right? So if you don't have your gold as a test, you'll be able to do this, and you'll be able to figure out whether or not it's gold or pyrite, iron pyrite, which is known as fool's gold. And if all you have is gold, like if it's gold, you'll know. So let's move these up. Let's bring up, all you need really is a porcelain cup. Okay, now we're going to scratch right here. There's a spot like this down here. It's pretty shiny or slippery. That's might not work that well, but right here on the edge it's a little bit rough where there's none of this glaze, right? So we're going to take our pyrite, we're just going to rub it. Okay, see that? Left a nice black mark. And remember, iron pyrite, so we'll do some more just to show you. Be hard on it. Look at that. Right? Nice greenish black. Very black. And remember, iron pyrite should show up black on your streak test. This is called a streak test. Now, gold should come up more yellowish, right? So let's move the cup a little. We'll take our piece of gold here. We know is gold. See that? It's more of a yellowish color, right? Okay. So that's more yellowish for sure, right? Okay, so we know that's gold. We know this is fool's gold. Now, maybe you don't have a nugget, right, of gold, a gold nugget, like I have here. But maybe you're wearing your ring, right? This is a 10 karat ring, so it's got gold in it. Let's see what it leaves for a mark. Okay. So that's even more. Let's zoom in. Right? It's even more yellow than this one. But that's still definitely more yellow than this black. All right? So that's how you do your streak test to tell if something's fool's gold or if you have genuine gold or not. Okay? And this is definitely fool's gold. I know by just looking at it, and you guys can tell looking at these three things which one's which, right? But maybe out in the wild or whatever, you might not notice the difference, right? Or maybe you don't have any gold to sit beside it and know, right? So that's the thing. I think what happens. A lot of people probably don't have gold, right? So they find this and they think this is gold. I mean, in natural daylight, this is very, very bright and shiny, right? And very golden. But sitting beside, if you had a piece of gold, you wouldn't even have to do the streak test. You could just put it beside it and look like, well, that's totally different than that, right? Even your ring is not, So that's one thing. But like, and say if you found this out, right? You might be, oh, maybe it's fool's gold. Well, this is a way to tell too, right? Maybe you don't have a piece of pyrite to tell. Like if you had a piece of pyrite at home, you would know what pyrite looks like. You would know what fool's gold looks like, and you wouldn't think that this is fool's gold. You would think, oh, that's definitely gold, right? So, all right, I want to thank you for watching. If you learned anything or you're entertained at all, please like, please share, definitely please subscribe, but definitely like too, because likes really help on the video, and it's free, and subscribing is free as well. So I hope I earned it today, and I just want to thank you for watching again, and Gold Hunter out. See you on the next one.